So, you're the new interactive flat panel.
I prefer IFP.
All right, IFP, what you got for me?
Well, as you see, I have a large screen, and I have these cool bezels on all four sides. And the stand has wheels, so you can spin me around.
And?
And I can access the World Wide Web. It's just incredible. So much information for eager young minds.
But do you have any built-in activities? Any lessons? You know, anything my students can interact with?
Think of me as a blank canvas on which you could paint your educational dreams.
So that's a no.
You are correct.
Is your interactive display a little light on content? Smart displays with IQ offer a full suite of learning activities already built in.